Greetings, traders. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha from the land of rising sun. Welcome to my channel, Elliott Wave Advanced. Elliott Wave is the best approach to technical trading. When you know waves, you can know where the market is going the next day, the next week, the next month, or even the next year. With wave trading strategy, you may not trade every day, but you will be able to be picking quality trades. Doesn't make meaning to take 20 trades in a week and win 3 or win 6 and lose 15, lose 14. But with wave analysis, you can take 3-4 trades in a week and win 80 to 90% of them. And wave trading, instead of taking 20 pips profit, 40 pips profit, you can be able to see 200 pips, 400 pips, even some of the pips trade. In one trade, it can run for a week, 2 weeks, or to be making much money. Okay, having said that, I also offer mentorship program. For mentorship and learning, contact me with the links or phone number below. Cost is only $500 only. No time limit. That is to say, you will learn at your own pace. Some people can learn very fast. Some can be slow in learning. Once you pay, you relax and learn. Okay, that's the little info I want to give you. Remember, what we are doing is we are teaching you and giving you our own idea. It's not a recommendation what to do. In trading, you can lose, you can win. Markets can change anytime. So nothing is guaranteed in trading. That's why we call it forecast. Nobody controls the market. So when I say that I'm buying this, it means I'm taking the risk of buying, that I may gain and I may lose. That's why I must always use stop loss. And I don't over risk. I risk little. What matters is consistent winning. When you win, when you take 20 trades and win 12, win 15, you are good to go. Okay, and secondly, what matters is that when you win, maybe you win 100 pips, when you lose, you lose 20 or 30 pips. That's trading. You cannot win 20 pips and lose 80 pips. That's not trading. So that's why wave is the best approach. So having said that, let's dive into the analysis of the day. Okay, DXY is what we always give you first. So you can see DXY. My bias is that this is A, B, C. So this wave C is developing. Now we have gotten to our target. Okay, let me go to 4 hours. So this is if you check last week, I said this is what I showed you last week. Let me show you again. Last week I said we will likely get this drop and get this buy before we begin to sell. Now the drop did not drop as we expected. That's why it's called forecast. Not a must to happen, but something similar must happen. So here is our target in buying, and here is our target in dropping. It didn't drop, but it bought and returned at our zone. Okay. So having shown you, the market turned exactly where we forecasted. So now, what next? Let me give you 1 hour. I don't normally go down to 1 hour, but let me show you 1 hour. Now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you get this 5 at this target, then it will be a perfect wave count. Then you look for A, B, C, and sell. Simple. Having gotten to our zone, reversed at our zone, though there's another possibility. Another possibility is that this can be an A, B, C, and it's to make a new high. So if you don't have experience, there's something I will see, I will sell, And there's something I will see. I will wait for the break of this channel. So if you don't have the experience, you better wait for this channel to be broken before you begin to sell, because you can see go and make a new high. Though I don't expect this new high. I don't expect it, but it can happen. Okay, that's for DXY. Let me go back to 4 hours. USD card. I'm also selling USD card. The same thing with DXY. So if you give me the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I look for sell. So no need to waste time, because 2 of them goes the same direction. If this Y is buying, USD card will be buying. If you sell USD card will be selling. So I'm looking for sell on USD card as well. USD shelf. I'm also looking for sell on USD shelf, but I haven't gotten the confirmation. So if this channel is broken, I will check whether I have a valid sell. But let me go to 1 hour. 1 hour is where I have something important. So if the price goes below this zone, not here anywhere, if the price goes below this zone, is a sell confirmation. But if I get a perfect count, something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. If I get a valid setup, I will sell somewhere around here. If not, I'll watch out for the break of this last wave 4. That's the best thing to do. Wait for it to break the last wave 4 before you begin to sell. Okay, let's USD. USD is the opposite of DXY. So last week, I expected it to go lower than this place. I expected a lower move. It didn't come to the lower move, rather. But I said once we get below the last low, it can reverse from there. So that's exactly what happened. It get to the last below the last low, and we begin to show a reversal pattern. So now, what next? Let me go to 1 hour again. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. These 5 knots have not finished. So if you finish and give us A, B, C, that is right. That is really a nice pattern. I will buy from here, which means I'm no longer looking for sell on Euro USD. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, I will avoid it right now. Because why? This daily is pointing out that it will sell heavily. And it will be difficult for pounds USD it will be selling heavily. And you USD will be buying. So for that case, I'll just choose to leave it for now. Meanwhile, on lower time frame, this spots last week I made this forecast that we're targeting this place. It went to our upper channel target, dropped, but failed to reach the near target. So, but it can still drop there. So maybe if it drop, or it will be going sideways while Euro USD is buying. So maybe if you come to this zone, this buy zone, I can buy it maybe with a little lot size in case if it will override the lower time frame and begin to drop as I see on daily time frame. AUD USD. AUD USD is a buy market. I don't expect it to continue selling. I'm going to go here. I don't expect it to continue selling. After And it's have also broken this channel. So 101, we're looking for 101 to give me a buying. You only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I get the NS structure here, I will buy. Meanwhile, the brother to this pair using the USD have something to show us on 4 hours. There's possibility of dropping again. There's possibility of this being a possibility of A, B, C, D, E triangle, which means if this move doesn't break this zone, then we will get a new low. And what it means that as this one is dropping, AUD-USD might be doing sideways because I don't see it dropping and making a new low. But USD can make a new low unless it broke this zone, then I'll be looking for buy above here. So little caution is needed on these two pairs, using the USD and AUD-USD. The BT25. Just as I've been saying, there's a time to buy and a time to sell. When market goes too far, it will become risky to continue buying it or selling it if it was going down. Let's assume that because it's been going up, you bought it here. You can see now it's going down. So that's why I said it's always good to buy at the right time and at the right price. So now it's decided to correct. And it's still too early to confirm whether it's a correction or it will just make. Okay, now two things is involved. One is this can be a simple ABC. It will go up again before going down, or it will start from here. It will drop, do this, and drop again. So these two things is involved. So the best thing is that if you can manage correction, you allow it to finish, then you buy. Excuse me. Okay, that's for KBT25. USJPY. Let me go to 4 hours. USJPY, I expected it to turn before making a new high, but it doesn't matter. So now what I'm looking at is that this is the 5 waves correction. As long as this place remains intact, let me put it at a proper place. As far as this place remains intact, what I'm looking at is this is I'm looking for a big cell. This is wave A, and this is wave B. This is what I'm looking at. This as wave B. Okay, but it's just to give me cell confirmation. So I'm waiting for cell confirmation. If you go down to 1 hour, 1 hour, the selling might have started, but I don't think it's good to trade blindly. So let's allow me to break this channel. If this channel is broken, it means that this count is correct. This count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is correct. Because this is another wave 1, 2. It can be 3, 4, and 5 before it will drop. So sometimes it will ignore the last swing and begin to move. Sometimes you might think it will begin to move. It will go up and complete it. So this is wave 1, clear wave 1. This is wave 2. And this, why I say it may not go there is that this can be wave 3, 4, and 5. Then this can equally be wave 3. Then you get 4 and 5 before it begin to sell. These two things is 50-50. But what I'm trying to say is that this is not time to buy. So USJPY, it arrived our reversal zone. It went down. For now, I don't know whether it will still go up or it will need to go down. But I have a conversion zone. Channel is also important in trading. So let me go down to 1 hour. So now, if the market comes back and breaks this channel, it can begin to sell. 1, 2, if it breaks this channel, it can be just an ordinary A, B, C, and it buys again. So the movement and how the structure will now tell me whether it is a sell or it will go back. So all these things is why you need to have knowledge of what you are doing. Because at a strong look, you can see that this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave 1. And this is A, B, C, which is wave 2. As long as it hasn't closed above this zone, above here, it's still wave 2. Until it goes above this zone, it's not wave 2. So if it goes down, break this channel, it is either that this is wave 1 or this is wave A. This can be either wave 2, sorry, either wave 3 or wave C, depending on how it moved and where it stopped. Okay, let's take it like that. If you want to have the full knowledge, you join the class. Pounds JPY, we have a clear 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I expect it to at least give me a drop as ABC at least. If not the big dropping I'm looking for, at least an ABC. And I think it's started to sell. Whether it will do this and go up, I don't know. But when the market opens, I will check the structure to know whether I will sell it or not. Good. I think I want to avoid gold right now. I want to avoid the gold right now. There are things I see in gold that I want to avoid the gold. To explain it will take my time. So if I'm a student and you don't understand why I said you need to avoid the gold now, let me know in our VIP group so that I will explain more. I'll make time to explain more. Doing it here will take us 10 minutes. So let's go to silver. Silver is pointing out buying. So this is what I see on silver. After the digital break, I can confirm that this is ABC. This ABC ended here. So all this move will give us either a new high or at least a kind of A, B, C, maybe 24.5, 24, before you now check whether we are selling again or not. Platinum is selling, but not with speed. Okay, so I'm waiting for another opportunity to sell again, unless something happens and the market goes up with speed and break this place. Then I'll begin to look for sell, buy. But for now, I'm still looking for sell. Though no sales setup for now of platinum. I have shared the daily chart, weekly chart in the past. So it doesn't make sense sharing daily chart every day, weekly chart every day, just waste of time because a daily chart can last 2 months. One daily chart to share can last 2 months. So no need showing you every day. If you want to see them, you go to January videos. I think second week of January or third week, I shared the weekly and daily charts on all the pairs I analyze. US oil. US oil is a kind of playing a trick on me. I sold oil and I am in loss. Though the loss is not much because I'm not greedy. I don't trade with greed. But meanwhile, I see nothing else than that this is wave one. I remember wave two can trace as 99% of wave one. So I see this as wave two until it goes above here. If it goes above here, it will keep a stop loss. Then I will take a second look at what I'm seeing. Because I see this as A, B, C, wave four. Then wave one, and it will to go down. So this is what I did last week. After this channel is broken, and it was retracing, I sold gold around this zone. It drop and go up again. So if it goes to this place, whether either here or here, it will stop me out. But it doesn't matter because I take the normal risk I trade. Some pairs you gain, some pairs you lose. But I think the market will go down because I don't see any other thing except it's to sell. Then to be on the safe side, to sell gold, allow it to close below this zone, below 75.4. Then we can now begin to sell. Okay. US 100. This is another reason why I tell you, you do not trade when the market is high already. Let's assume that you bought from here. You see that you'll be losing. So that's why I tell you, allow it to take before, allow it to collect before you buy. So maybe let's take it as ABC. At least we're gonna get to this zone. We likely came to this zone before either we buy or we'll make correction and sell again. Whichever one that will happen, no need to worry about it for now until we get to this zone. Okay, that's for NASDAQ. SP 500, let me show you 4 hours on this one. Okay, we are still buying, but maybe it will likely correct with others because many of them are showing signs of correction. So let's check and see whether it will correct like others or not. I have seen the sign it will correct with others. So something like this, after this, you know what else to do. Here starting. I shared this chart with my students yesterday. I expected it to turn around here, but it goes above it. Meanwhile, it doesn't matter as long as it didn't go above this zone. If it goes above here, then my stop loss will be hit. If not, I will still be in profit because it will eventually at least give us an ABC. It will give us an ABC, A, B, C. So no cause for alarm, but if it goes above here, my stop loss will hit. Okay. DAX is another pair that we likely make a correction or replacement. That will likely make a replacement. So after this move, you can see this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And it ended at our target zone. You can see it I put this thing last week or so. It ended the day and it's a reverse, it's showing signs of reversal. So to be on the safe side, let us allow it to break this channel. And so this channel or here, though if it breaks the channel, then you have 70% confirmation that it will sell. Then if it breaks this place, we have 99% of chances that it will sell. So now, this is what I'm looking at. 15,800, 15,600. This is the area I'm looking at. So if you take that, the patient allow it to go below this place or break the channel, then you put your sell. Stop loss will be here. If it's keep making a new high low, you keep moving your stops. That's how we do it. The same thing with the Dow Jones. The same thing, I'm looking for it to drop. First of all, let us break this zone. It's broken the upper channel. So if it doesn't go up, let me zoom it. This chart, I also share this chart with my students on my VIP group. It went a little above where the target is. It doesn't matter. What matters is that it doesn't hit our stop loss. So stop loss is a little above this place. Okay. So I can see it will drop either as ABC or it will give us the big correction. So that's how I'm looking at it. Either ABC or to give us a big correction. Okay. I think I have come to an end of this. Let's go to cryptos. There's something happening in cryptos I don't really understand. Meanwhile, that's one of those reasons I tell you, if you are investing into crypto, don't invest much on new coins. Watch my videos, I say it every time. What's happening now, I can't understand. In the past, when Bitcoin and Ethereum is going up, other coins will be following them. But this time around, only few coins is following them. Others are just doing sideways. Bitcoin and Ethereum is doing something like this. Other coins are doing something like this. It's not good for those coins because while when Bitcoin and Ethereum begin to fall, they will continue to fall. So it's cause for concern. And I know that this type of thing will happen someday, sometime. That's why I said, if you are investing in coin, invest much on established coin. Watch my videos, I said it. What are established coin? There are a few. Bitcoin number one, Ethereum number two, BNB, Litecoin. A few of them are established. Those new coins can disappoint you. And I'm afraid it's happening now. So let's go to business. Now, Bitcoin, what do we have a Bitcoin? It's going to be going up forever. At some point, it will drop. So now I'm expecting it to, I'm expecting three things. One is this white line is what I'm expecting. If this happens, I will not buy. Reason is that it can do this, goes to that 53,000 and drop. Then if this happens, I will buy because it is a normal correction. Even if it will correct again, if you do something like this, before going down again, by the time it do something like this, I will move my stop loss to break even. At worst, I will go out with a little profit. I will not lose. But if you do this thing and begin to go up, if you buy, you can see it do this. So I'm just showing you all these things to be careful. The main target is this. It's what I target to happen. But no, not confirmed yet. The manner in which it will break this channel will tell me whether this will happen, or this will happen. Okay, and I don't know. I think let me show you Ethereum also. Ethereum, I'm looking for this type of move, correction, and buy again. So Ethereum, I'm looking for 2,634 to 2,558. This is what I'm looking at. Ethereum can do this, mind you. It can do this. It can do this. A kind of, this is A, B, C. It can be A, B, C. That is W, X, Y. I'm beginning to buy, but I will not buy because why? It can just move a little above this place and it will drop. So I wanted to give me a kind of standard correction before I will buy. And here is where I will bring to conclusion this week's analysis. Remember, if this is the first time you are watching my video, like, comment, share, subscribe. What you can do for me is to share my video so that YouTube can recommend it to many people. That's one thing you can do for me. I do this for free, and I know if you cannot understand the chart, you're making money with my analysis. So do me a favor by sharing my video, liking, and making comments. Then as I said in the beginning, if you want to learn from me, just contact me. The price I charge is far below what I should charge. People who give the same service as I do, even those who are better off in teaching, charge 1,000, 1,500, even 2,500. The same value or more, I'll give you 500. And the only reason is this: I don't have much students now. My students are still few. When they are big, I may not be able to do this at 500. 500 doesn't want what I teach you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.